Today I'm going to show you how to make an advertisement for your business that you can run on Facebook or say Google or wherever you might want to run it, and hopefully it helps you. It's pretty simple to do, and I just want to show you how easy it is so that you can use this technique to help your business. Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make an advertisement for your small business. In this case I have a lawn care business, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to use this video that I have pre-edited. You can use a raw video. All you have to do is set up a camera and a tripod, get some video footage. You don't even need that much. If you're going to run, like, say, a Facebook ad, you're looking for 20-30 seconds of video clip. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend that this isn't an edited video. We're just looking for some action shots. Alright, so some movement. This is kind of decent little movement in here, but it's an odd angle. This is a great shot for leaf removal. Alright, I've actually used this specific shot for running a leaf removal ad. So low shots make for pretty cool shots. Alright. We're just going to kind of get to the beginning of this, that transition, and I'm going to cut. Okay, scissors, boom, cut. We're going to do this. I'm going to actually right click on that. I'm going to go up and we're going to do a delete ripple. What that's going to do is move everything to the right of this over to fill that gap. So it moves everything back to the beginning basically. I'm going to cut the audio off that just so that you know, and how you would do that if you had raw footage, but we're going to cut the audio off, and that way it's like an actual footage. So you'll have audio here that's playing on there. It's right underneath. If you want to separate these, you can go through and detach the audio, but we're just going to completely cut the audio out of here. So delete. You could just, if it's still up there, you can just grab it and drop it all the way down. We're just going to that's fine, we'll do that. So this is all sped up footage that I've used, and that's a nice slow-mo shot. So if you're going to speed this up, it's super simple. Just cut which areas you want to speed or slow down. Say I've got this block here, I want to speed that up right here in this area. This is the speed button. You got fast. I normally do my videos where I'm talking on my work at about 8 times speed, sometimes 4, sometimes 2. It just depends on what I'm talking about, what I'm showing, and the overall look of the video. If you want to slow it down, same thing, same options there. We're gonna just click back like that wasn't there. So I want this transition. This is a good shot here for leaf removal. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this stuff out from the beginning, and this shot here, okay, it was a little blurry there. Not a big deal, but there's like a transition where the camera focuses. I don't want that in there. Good shot. Here I come, and it's speeding back up. See me doing the work. Let's see if we got something else in there. Like, that's a cool transition. Nice and low. How long does it go? Yeah, that's excellent. I love that. So we'll go back to where that was at. Sped up. Speed, speed, speed. Okay, right about here. And this is, you know, you can, like I said, speed or slow all this down. This is pre-edited footage. I don't have any in my computer stored. I can get on cloud and, you know, get all that stuff off. But I'm just using some pre-edited footage because that is going to work great for what I'm doing. Alright, so I want about 20 or 30 seconds of video. Let's go ahead and make it about 20 seconds. So you can grab here and you can actually stretch this out to find out where 20 seconds is. Now if you look right underneath the video here in this corner, you can get exact time. We're just going to make an even 20 seconds, okay? I'm going to cut that. We're just going to drop the rest of that video out. This is a nice little 20-second clip, and we're going to go ahead and play it real fast. That way you can see what it's like. Okay. Alright. You get the point. Let's go ahead and overlay our watermark that we did in the previous video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is click and drag my watermark over here, and this is what I made. I switched it up. I showed you with the leaf removal, but what we're going to do is overlay it right here on top. Okay, and you can, adjust this in iPicky to make it as large or small as you want. I don't really like the fonts in here and the way they overlay. So we're going to click and drag this blue mark. So if you have it underneath, it's not going to show, but because it has a background, a transparent background, you can overlay it right on top. It's not going to affect the video other than showing up right there. And we're just going to stretch it to be the same length. That way it plays all the way through the video. You have a nice watermark video. See, skipping through. And that's great. Now we need some music. So let's go ahead and add some music. I use a 4K downloader here. Okay, let's find something we like. Nice little poppy beat. Let's see what this one is. That one's good too. Okay, so we're going to show that in our folder. We're going to click and drag it over to here. Now that it's in the editing software, we're just going to lay this underneath the video. Okay, and I don't really care about how loud it is. If I was talking, I would want to lower the volume of the music so that it's not playing over me speaking, but I don't really care about how loud it is. We're going to let it play at its normal audio height, whatever that it just comes in. Okay, and so playing at its normal volume, this is what it looks like. Actually don't like that in there just because of how it kind of sounded. That one's too dramatic. This one's a nice download. Okay, see here. That one's poppy. Let's see here. I'm using this 4K downloader. This is how I get music off the internet. You want to use non-copyright stuff. It's a nice simple one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on it. Alright, so we're just going to put this over here. We're going to go ahead and, if you look at the volume of the music down here, you can see what the music's doing. I kind of want it to get a little bouncy during the song, but I want it to sound like it's at the beginning. So I'm going to cut it right here. Okay, and I'm just going to delete ripple. That's going to move it over, and here's what it sounds like now. We're going to go ahead and cut it at the end too, and we're going to put a slight fade on it. So we've got a cut there. We're going to delete that. This here, we're going to just bring it over just like that. And then the front, we don't need that too because it starts out kind of calm. We'll do a little bit though. So playing from the beginning, here we go. Awesome. I think that sounds great, looks great, and overall should make for a very good ad. Obviously this isn't my phone number, but this is my footage, and you can do similar footage just like this. It's really easy. Like I said, this is just a low shot, and I believe I have the camera actually sitting on the tongue of my trailer, so that makes for a real good shot there. that's all stuff you can do. You could do that with your phone and a tripod. So you could shoot this video and do it for like under $10. Now this software, I believe, is like $50 a year. I paid the $35 because I was just testing it out. I should have just bought it because I actually like this software a lot. I find it to be very user friendly, and I'll make another video actually getting into, you know, how to use it. And you know, I don't really dive in depth with it. Most of my videos are shot and they're real simple and very easy. But you know, we've got some good little stuff here. I think this is pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and export this. I want to export this as leaf removal advertising. Okay, I'm gonna put that as number 1. Okay, and that's for YouTube. We're gonna go ahead and, you want to do MP4 download format. That's what's going to actually allow you to upload it to YouTube if you wanted, in which case you should absolutely have a YouTube for your business with videos just like this so you can send them to your clients. So it's converting, and you can see how quick this is. It's going to, you know, export it straight into my computer, and then I can from there upload it into YouTube and stuff real easy. So that video was that quick. Find the target. And as you see over here, drag it over. This video is ready to go. Hey, I hope this video helps. If it does, give it a thumbs up, and you know, drop me a comment on what you like about it, what you would like to see more of. I'm going to try to make a few videos kind of similar to this, that just hopefully you can see how simple editing can be and how you can make a real simple commercial for your business and get some more online action for your business as well. So yep, just throwing it out there. Hope you like it, and yeah.